So I just wanted to share this technique of attaching a portable air conditioning unit to an awkward window, which is what we have here. This room gets an awful lot of sunshine in the summer, and it's really hard to actually vent a portable air conditioner out of here because you can't just attach a kind of acrylic sheet to these windows as you see on other solutions on YouTube, because this is just UPVC. It's an awkward shape, awkward angles and so on. Also, I'm not happy with the sort of kits that you get on Amazon and the like, because they just don't seem very secure, and I want to be able to leave my window open, the air conditioning on, while I'm working from home, but leave the room and know that actually the room is still secure enough. This is in London. I don't want to just leave a window open onto the street. So what I've done is got this piece of MDF. I used a place called Cut My Plastic to cut this piece of MDF to size. It's got the white coating on it, and they will also cut the cutout for you for the vent. You should have a vent that comes with your kind of portable air conditioning kit. And what's different about this solution is, if I open this window, you'll be able to see. So this MDF doesn't go in front of the window, it doesn't go behind the window. It sits between this part that moves here and the inside of this frame. So there's a pretty big gap in there, and the MDF just slots up into that gap with the window wide open, and from there I use these pieces of offcut and just screwed those into place like that, and these then hold the MDF solid onto this part, this kind of frame that isn't moving, and then you've got the MDF secured into that window gap, and it's going to be an awful lot more effective and efficient than just sticking the hose out the window. So I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of that done. I hope that's helpful. It does feel really secure actually. It isn't just going to fall apart, fall off. And yeah, I hope these pictures help you to do something similar, and it seems to be a better solution than the other ones I've seen.